Okay, it's about 3 o'clock right now, so 7 hours today. So 8, 7, and 3 and a half. 8, 7, and 3.5 hours on this roof. I've got 2 pans built for water when the 2 roofs come together. 2 pans on that, or 1 pan on that side, 1 pan on the other. So total of 2 pans. We're leaving everything open so the electricians can run their wires, and then we'll come back and plywood it around their boxes and everything. This side is also framed in the thickness of that beam. Those blocks are called fire blocking. So if electrical wire starts, it can't suck the air up, suck all the air that's up inside the trusses. It stops right there. So when they have a short. 2x8 ridge, 2x6 rafters. Leave a comment on what you think of this job and what you think of how long it took us to do it. 8, 7, and 3.5 hours. We're done. Roofers are ready. You're next.